Windows Basic Keyboard Shortcuts. Ctrl+A, select all content. Ctrl+C, copy selected items to clipboard. Ctrl+X, cut selected items to clipboard. Ctrl+V, paste contents from clipboard. Ctrl+Z, undo an action. Ctrl+Y, redo an action. Ctrl+Shift+N, create new folder on desktop or File Explorer. Alt+F4, close active window. Shift+Delete, delete selected item permanently, skipping recycle bin. F2, rename selected item. Alt+Tab, switch between open apps. Windows +, open emoji panel. Windows +PrtScr, capture a full screenshot in the Screenshots folder.